Good morning students, welcome back to Shanta Maths channel. Now in this video I am posting the JEE mains problem from the previous papers. Okay, let us start the class. So the question is, if sine square 10 into sine 20 into sine 40 into sine 50 into sine 70 is equal to alpha minus 1 by 16 into sine 10, then what is the value of the 16 plus alpha inverse? We want to find this value. Okay, Nishan. So first I am taking the given question here. First write total this value sine square 10 into sine 20, sine 40, sine 50, sine 70. So before writing that, just take this sine square 10 as sine 10 into sine 10. Okay. Next, to the next two terms apply the 1 by 2 into 2 like that. Okay. Just write the first sine square 10 as sine 10 into sine 10. And to the next two values apply 1 by 2 and 2 like that. Okay. Next write the remaining two values like that. Okay. Now this is equals to, write the 1 by 2 first here. 1 by 2 sine 10. Okay. Now this is 2 sine A sine B. What is 2 sine A sine B formula? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay. What is 2 sine A sine B formula? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So cos of A minus B, cos 20. Of course, cos of minus 20 is equal to cos 20. Cos of A plus B, 20 plus 40, 60. Okay. This is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. And this is sine 10. Okay. Write the sine 10 like that. 50 is nothing but 60 minus 10. And 70 is nothing but 60 plus 10. Okay. Now here, in the next step, write that 1 by 2 sine 10, 1 by 2 sine 10. It's cos 20, cos 20. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now here, once check this value, this is in the form of the sine theta into sine 60 minus theta into sine 60 plus theta. Okay. Sine theta into sine 60 minus theta into sine 60 plus theta. So what is the answer? That is equals to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Okay, sine theta into sine 60 minus theta into sine 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. That is 1 by 4 sine 3 into 10. Here we have the theta is equal to 10. Okay, so this is sine 30 and the value of the sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now here, coming to the next step. So here we take that cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Now multiply these two values by the sine 10. Sine 10 sine 20 minus 1 by 2 sine 10. Okay. Into 1 by 4 into sine 30 1 by 2. Now write all the constants here like that. 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Now to this one apply 2 by 2. Okay. 2 sine 10 cos 20 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 sine 10. This is right the value like that. Now this is 1 by 16. Okay. Now this is 2 sine A cos B. What is 2 sine A cos B formula? Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. 2 sine A cos B is equal to sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. What are A comma B values? Here we have A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Sine of A plus B sine 30, sine of A minus B minus 10. Okay. Now here sine of minus 10 is equal to minus 10. Okay. And this is equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Take the 1 by 2 common. Sine 30 minus sine 10 minus sine 10 minus 2 sine 10. Okay. Again this sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 32 into 1 by 2 minus 2 sine 10. Okay. The already given that the answer is equal to alpha minus 1 by 16 sine 10. Here you get the answer 1 by 64 minus 1 by 16 sine 10. Just multiply the two values here. So what you get, alpha is equal to 1 by 64. Okay. Just compare these two values, then you get alpha is equal to 1 by 64. But what is the given question? Given question is we want the value of the 16 plus alpha inverse. That is 16 plus 64. Okay, alpha is equal to 1 by 64. Then 1 by alpha is equal to 64. So the answer is equals to 80 and that is nothing but the answer of the given question. Okay, options are not given here. So answer is equal to 80. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? Simply here we apply the formulas like that. 2 sin A sin B cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Sin theta sin 60 minus theta sin 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. And 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Okay. By applying these formulas, you get the answer like that. So this is the answer. And I will continue the next problem in the next video. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.